Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find free items for your avatars in Roblox. So did you know there are hundreds of amazing high quality free clothes, accessories, and full bundles available right now? And this video is your ultimate 2025 guide to finding and claiming every free item on Roblox. So if you want to create stunning avatar but don't want to spend any Robux, you just need to follow my steps. So in here, you can just head to the avatar first. On the left side menu, click on avatar. Okay, so as you guys can see, the items here is you need to spend Robux on this item. So if you want to find only the free items, you can just find the one that you want to buy or add to your avatar. Let's say I'm going to find clothing in here. Okay, so to find free items only, you can just use the filter options in here. You can click on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Okay, now on the filters, you can just go down and you can just select the price low to high options, this one in here, and tap on apply. So just like that, the items will refresh and will show you only the free items in here, and you can just choose which one that you want to use for your avatar. So let's say I want to use this t-shirts right here. You can click on the items and it will be on your avatar like this. You can also do this for, let's say, body here, for the hair, for example. Let's try to use this one right here, and also for the hats. Let's try if I can do it. Okay, so for the hair too, you can use, sorry, this one is not free. Let's just choose the free one. This one, for example, just like this. So guys, that's how you can find free items in Roblox avatar. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.